Yes, it is. Hello.
Yes, to see you on the television.
Oh, well, thank you for watching. Watch my YouTube. I'm about to film a YouTube video with this fella
Sorry,
here.
you started
No,
already?
no. But find me on YouTube and you'll see this guy here, Charlie Wallrock. He's very good. Watch this. He's very good. Charlie, you've got a new fan.
Oh, thank you, David. That's so kind of it.
Thank you very much. Nice
I
to
thought
see you.
everyone had come in to see me.
Now then, a piece of Victory memorabilia.
Another piece, yes.
Another piece.
Another.
You've owned a few. Show me this one. This.
Okay, David. This is quite interesting. I bought this in Australia recently.
You bought it in Australia?
Yeah. So I bought it home.
Yeah.
This is. We thought it was. It is a Victory knee. This is the original red paint, primer paint they would have used, and you can see the thickness of this original timber.
Okay, so this is literally taken, but it's taken off the Victory.
Yes, yes.
The Victory, Nelson's
The
Victory.
Nelson's Victory, the fighting ship.
Wow.
We believe, and we're waiting. It's been confirmed in verbal terms.
Yeah.
Just waiting for more paperwork. These are where the wooden nails will have gone through. Right into the ship.
Right. So this is like a big corner brace then, is it?
Totally. So this is the anchor brace. So when they used to pull up, and they had the huge capstan on the deck.
Yeah.
They go round. You see all the guys singing sea shanties and going round and round.
Yeah.
Pull the anchor up, and then they cap the anchor. Catching the anchor is when they've got it up. They put it off another brace on
Right.
the side, so the ship's like that. Sorry, like that for your viewers. And it points outwards, and that is bracing that piece of timber. Then they put
My
a hook on
goodness
it, and they hook it on, and they what called cat it, which
Right.
to secure it.
So hang on, I mean, you and I both love our history, and Nelson is one of our joint heroes from all
Yes.
time. So you're telling me, and this is the truth, that at the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805,
Was that?
that was there.
That we believe that is 17. I think she was built in 1759, and we believe that is an original piece of the original ship.
Charlie, that to me is absolutely mind-boggling. Mind-boggling.
Let me turn this round. You've got a very good eye, David. Let me just do this. And look how beautiful and sculptural that is there.
Oh,
Just look.
I mean, you're right, you've nailed it. It's sculptural.
Look at this red primer here.
And that would be original, wouldn't it?
Yes, that would be original.
So, God, Charlie, just touching that, I can almost feel the soaking up of the sounds from that day in 1805.
There it
Oh,
is.
look at that. That is bonkers.
Sculptural, isn't it? It's superb.
I love that. I absolutely adore. How much is it?
It's not a bonkers amount of money for what it is. I think it's £22,500.
Yeah. For literally a piece of history, maritime history, important history for the Western
Indeed.
world. That day changed the rest of history.
Well, it actually gave, after 1815, after the Battle of Waterloo, we had in Europe 70 to 100 years of unfettered peace and prosperity.
We did.
Hence our latest book's called War and Wealth. And that's part of it.